Need to complete a PDF form without printing it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fill out PDF forms in Adobe Acrobat Reader, enter your information, save your progress, and get the document ready to share. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat Reader and load the PDF form you want to complete. You can click Open File from the home screen or open the file directly from your computer. If the PDF is an interactive form, simply click inside each text field and start typing. Use the Tab key on your keyboard to move quickly from one field to the next. Some forms include checkboxes, radio buttons, or drop-down menus. Click each option to make your selection and review your entries before moving on to the next section. If the PDF isn't interactive, open the Fill and Sign tool. This feature lets you click anywhere on the page to add text, place check marks, or complete blank fields manually. Before finishing, review every field to make sure your information is correct. So then click Save to keep your changes, or use Save As if you'd like to create a separate copy. Once your form is complete, you can print it, email it, or upload it wherever it's required. Just make sure all your changes have been saved before closing the document. And that's how you fill out PDF forms in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether it's an application, registration form, or business document, you can complete everything digitally in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.